Ready to build your own AI chatbot agent just like ChatGPT for free? Let's spin it up with AgentX, your mind's new digital twin. First, head over to your browser and search AgentX. Click on the first link, that is the official website. It will redirect you to this platform. This is the official website of AgentX, so just click on Get Started. You're going to see this platform. This is the official website with so much, you can just go ahead and go through the whole website, different tabs to see what's going on. I will not do that in this video because of time, so you can just go through it and understand the website before you proceed. Now, if you check under the AgentX logo, you're going to see Workspace, you're going to see Explore and Chat History. Double click on Workspace, or you just click on Login at the top. They are going to pop up this other interface for you to log in into your account. So you can just proceed, continue with email like I've done. Once you click on continue with email, it's going to bring a list of the emails you have in your computer for you to choose which account you want to use. So just select any. I have just one email in this browser, so I'll just go with this. Once you click on it, just continue. You need to first of all answer some questions like where did you discover, where did you hear about AgentX? I'm just going to select YouTube. Where you see this video is where you will select. Is it for personal or business or both, or just go with both? Now you need to choose a kind of company you're working with. Is it e-commerce, SaaS, or whatsoever, marketing agency? Mine is SaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service, so I'll just click on that. How many people? What's the company size, right? Is it just you? I'm going with 2 to 10 because that's my range falls between that. What's your position, what's your role in the company? You can choose anything. I'm going with the CEO. I'll just click on the founder CEO. Now you have your dashboard ready to build your chatbot. If you like this video and want me to drop more videos on free AI agents that will help you explore your business, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification button, so whenever I drop videos like this, you will be notified and you'll be one of the first people to watch them. So let's continue. When you click on Workspaces, you're going to see this interface. Now it looks different from the way it was, right? Now we have create an agent. That's where we're going to focus on. So just click on create an agent. Once you click on that, you're going to see this interface. At the very top of your screen, you're going to see something like Ruby, or it must not be Ruby. You might see something different from your end, but from my end you see Ruby, right? If you just click on it, just double click on it, you'll be able to edit the name. So see, created by, it's my name, the name that I created my account with. Now you have choose model. You need to choose from this model. All of them are free, so I'm going with Gemini 2.5 Pro because that's my favorite. We have greeting messages. You just need to write a message you want your chatbot to tell, or maybe when your customers come in, your clients come in, your chatbot should greet them, right? So what message do you want your chatbot to send back to a client? You can write anything there. I'm just going to say, hello, how can I help you? Make sure you click add greetings after writing it, yeah? So the next thing is agent skills. We have web tool, which is the most important thing we want. We have extract text, it's important as well. Send emails, that is important. We have response options. You can click on the drop down for response options and you choose, you can read it from here and you choose the response option you want from the drop down as well. Right below response options, we have instructions. This is the most important place. We have hands-off mode coming soon, so I'm not going to talk really deep into that. We have instructions down. The instructions is exactly what you want your AI agent to do, right? Like for example, what I'm going to do here is for cybersecurity and ethical hackers. But if you're into digital marketing, you can see options here like SEO expert, social media manager, email marketer. All of those are different options you can add for your chatbot to work on. These are just samples that they are giving you. You can just write them down in this box down, defining the kind of character you want it to portray. How do you want your AI agent to respond to others? How do you want it to present itself to your client? So me, I want it as a cybersecurity agent and an ethical hacker. So I'm just going to write the cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and offensive security. All of that falls on the same line. So after this, just make sure you cross-check everything you've written and make sure it's what you want, even though you can still edit it at the end of the day. So after confirming what you have, you just click on create agent at the top of your screen. Once you're cool with what you have, just click on create agent, like I said. So they say agent Greyboy has been created. Share with your friends. Publish it, copy your link, you can send to your friends to try it out. But let's go and try it out from the platform directly. Another thing, we have other integrations you could add to, like we have already published, right? Now we need to a website and we need to enable you and want to embed it in our website. Once you click on embed, you copy this link, you can add it to your WordPress website, your PHP website, whatever website you want to add it to. The next thing we'll do is test our chatbot. At the top of your screen, you'll see edit and chat. Just click on chat. there will be a pop-up, a bookmark and thread history pop-up. You see the name of the chatbot you just created. Double click on it so it opens the chat interface. Now you can see the greetings you said and the name. You can go ahead to ask anything. Let me just ask this: what are the top 5 ethical hacking projects to try out in 2025? Let's see the result we get. You see, web application, wireless network hacking. It's going to give us the same result we'll get from any paid AI tool, right? So now let me go ahead to ask something not relating to the instruction I gave it to see if it can answer. Can you recommend places I could learn? I did not instruct it for this. I only instructed the bot to give me result on ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and offensive. You see the error message I got, right? Because I did not instruct it. So if you can go back and give the exact instructions you know you will be needing, it's going to give you the perfect answer. I just had to do this one so that you know if you don't give it an instruction, it's not going to respond to the answer that you're asking. So if you want to train it to be a full chatbot for everything you ask, you need to be very, very keen and careful with the information you're placing under instructions. If you like this video and want more videos on free AI tools that can help you grow your business, skyrocket your business, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and hit the notification button so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. Thank you and see you in the next video.